This is a Mercedes Sprinter van, engine supplied and fitted. We've just put a new engine in there. Give a good listen on that. Sounds very nice. And they're just going to take it for the road test. Just a DPF filter, and due to the emissions that maybe need to be looked at, examined. Other than that, this is pretty much ready to go. But it has to go for the road test, and then we're going to put it back on the ramp and check it out. Just check for certain oil leaks, things like that, which is very important. As you can see, it's a remanufactured engine. Sounds very good. And then we've got another Sprinter, which is down there, and that's going to go on next. Keep the cycle continuing. And if you guys are interested in a new engine, just give us a call and we can give you a quotation, and we can recover your vehicle nationwide, all over the UK. Our prices are very reasonable. Just give us a call anytime. We're open from Monday till Saturday. All the best. Kind regards. Take care. MACC UK Ltd.